guys, we just left the house and noticed that this something just took off from Santa Rosa Island, which is a military-owned island right off the coast here from Ventura. Has anybody heard anything about something, ballistic missile firing or something going off here? Because I've never seen anything like that, and there's no SpaceX today, and that's definitely not SpaceX. So if anybody has any information on that, let me know. What is our government doing, you guys? Never seen anything like that from here. That is Santa Rosa Island. It's still going up, whatever it is. It is, let's see, it is 4:58 in the afternoon on Sunday, December 15th, 2024. Never seen anything like that. I've lived out here for 25 years. New to me. So, hoping this gets lots of views.